Hey everyone and welcome to Geeksvana. We have news of an incredible development today which will see the Royal Air Force Typhoon fighter aircraft fitted with technology which will allow them to jam drone signals from the air. Before we start, if you're new here, Geeksvana is a channel focused on drones and tech, including news reports like this one. To get more, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get your drone news first. Those of you who keep an eye on the CAA Skywise notifications will have seen a few emails warning us of some high-level jamming testing being carried out in various parts of England and Wales. If you haven't subscribed to the service from the CAA, it's an excellent way to get the latest updates directly from the UK airspace regulator on a range of issues from general aviation to, of course, drones. Following news of these tests, the Ministry of Defence have confirmed that through a £317 million investment, RAF Typhoons will be equipped with next-generation radar. Jeremy Quinn, Defence Minister, has released details of the investment, which is also promised to secure over 600 jobs. The release also confirms that the RAF is one step closer to deploying its AUKUS technology, which jams radio signals from drones, which they confirm has already been deployed successfully during alleged drone sightings at airports. Typhoon aircraft will be equipped with the next generation radar that will allow it to locate, identify and suppress enemy air defences using high-powered jamming. Currently fitted with a mechanically scanning radar, the Typhoon is designed to be continuously upgraded to meet modern threats and issues. The release continues to report that the Royal Air Force's Synergia counter-drone research and development programme has reached a significant milestone, with the AUKUS counter-drone capability achieving initial operating capability, stating that this is felt to be an essential step towards protecting UK air bases from hostile drone activity. AUKUS will enable the RAF to evaluate a range of capabilities, including advanced radar, electro-optic and radio frequency sensors, plus an electronic attack countermeasure. The device looks similar to a camera module placed on top of a tripod, allowing for unparalleled versatility in operations. The technology is part of the RAF's Counter Unmanned Aerial System, or CUAS, research and development programme with Leonardo. Elements of Leonardo's CUAS equipment played a supporting role in RAF force protection in 2018 and 2019, following alleged drone sightings at Gatwick and Heathrow, allowing airport operations to resume. A fascinating update on some of the technology the UK military are developing and deploying to counter rogue drone operations. This is another example, to me, of trying to solve the issue through technology and not purely through regulating an already highly regulated hobby and industry. Of course, this technology is intended for use against those looking to attack UK air bases, but their deployment in Gatwick and Heathrow shows the UK government are prepared to deploy systems like this where and when they are needed. Dealing with rogue drones in this way would, of course, leave those looking to simply enjoy the hobby legally to do just that. Perhaps with the increased development and use of this type of detection tech, we could see less negative drone news reports out there, meaning an improving image of the drone and RC hobby in the minds of the wider public. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below. I really do appreciate all your feedback and read and respond to every one. We've got lots more great drone and tech content coming up on Geeksvana. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.